हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपको एरिया रिलेटेड सर्कल के कुछ केस स्टडी समझाऊंगी। ये केस स्टडी मैंने अलग अलग वेबसाइट से कंपाइल किए हैं और इसके सॉल्यूशन भी मैं आपको इधर ही समझाती जाऊंगी। इसकी पीडीएफ भी मैंने बना के रखी है और वो मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगी बाद में। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट एरिया रिलेटेड सर्कल के कुछ केस स्टडी। अब केस स्टडी में एक चीज़ आप ध्यान रखना कि केस स्टडी को आप सबसे पहले ही जब आपका एग्जाम शुरू होता है इसके पहले आपको 15 मिनट का रीडिंग टाइम मिलता है। उस रीडिंग टाइम का आपको फुल्ली यूटिलाइज करना है और उसके अंदर ये केस स्टडी के सारे पैराग्राफ अच्छे से रीड कर लेने हैं। वो पैराग्राफ में कहाँ कहाँ आपकी यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है उस इंफॉर्मेशन को दिमाग में रखना, ताकि आपका जब एग्जाम में आप लिख रहे हो उस केस स्टडी को अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे आपका बिल्कुल भी टाइम ना बिगड़े। बिकॉज एग्जाम में आपके लिए हर एमसीक्यू या हर क्वेश्चन के लिए ऑन एन एवरेज 2 मिनट ही मिल रही है। ठीक है, तो जितना हो सके हमें टाइम सेव करना है। केस स्टडी के क्वेश्चंस जो है वो थोड़े लंबे होंगे बट ट्रिकी नहीं होंगे। ये क्वेश्चन आपको में इसमें कैलकुलेशंस ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी, तो उसका भी आपको ख्याल रखना है। तो बिल्कुल भी एक्स्ट्रा टाइम कहीं पे भी वेस्ट नहीं करना है। तो पहले ही आपको सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस को रीड कर लेने हैं एट द टाइम व्हेन यू हैव गिवन रीडिंग टाइम। ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन द फर्स्ट केस स्टडी। First, I will read the paragraph and then we will move on questions. So, first is that Puklam is the flower bed of flower pattern designed during Onam in Kerala. It is similar as Rangoli in North India and Kolam in Tamil Nadu. During the festival of Onam, your school is planning to conduct a Puklam competition. Your friend, who is a partner in competition, suggests two designs given below. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर यूजलेस। ओके, यहाँ पे आपके काम का कोई भी चीज नहीं है। नाउ सी फ्रॉम हियर important things are coming. This design means design 1. This design is made with a circle of radius 32 centimeter, leaving equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. मीन्स ये शेडेड पोर्शन है, आपको उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ काम करना है। डिजाइन 2 में क्या दिया है? दिस पुक्लाम इज मेड विथ 9 सर्कुलर डिजाइन ईच ऑफ रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर। हर एक सर्कल की रेडियस गिवन है, अच्छे से समझना, डायमीटर नहीं है। ओके, तो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको आ गया होगा कि यहाँ स्क्वायर के अंदर ये दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर यू मस्ट नीड टू फाइंड। और उसके लिए आपको क्या काम करना है कि रेडियस का डबल करोगे तो 1 सर्कल का डायमीटर मिलेगा। ऐसे 3 सर्कल है, देन 3 इंटू डायमीटर ऑफ 1 सर्कल करने से होल स्क्वायर की लेंथ मिलेगी आपको। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द साइड इज इक्विलेटरल, साइड ऑफ द इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इज, आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, तो साइड ढूंढनी है। देखो आपको और कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, ओनली यू हैव गिवन रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल। ओके, तो साइड आपको ढूंढनी पड़ेगी। तो उसके लिए क्या मेथड यूज करोगे? तो मैंने इसके सॉल्यूशन भी सारे इधर आपको दिए। देखो सर्कल आपका ट्राइंगल जो है वो सर्कल के अंदर है, दैट मीन्स सर्कल इज द सर्कम सर्कल ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल। ओके, एंड ओ, लेट ओ इज द सर्कम सेंटर ऑफ दिस सर्कल। हम तीनों के ये इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है, तो तीनों के तीनों साइड जो है उसको हम क्या ले लेंगे? ए। कोई भी एक वेरिएबल अज्यूम कर लेंगे, मैंने ए लिया है। अभी रेडियस आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है, देन कंस्ट्रक्ट ओ बी एंड ओ सी। So this both radii will become 32 centimeter. As it is equilateral triangle, so each angle is of 60 degree. So this angle we will take 60 degree. And according to central angle theorem, this angle, this whole BOC angle will be of 120 degree, right? According to central angle theorem, you know that the angle formed at the center will be double than the angle formed in any part of the circle. Now we want to find length of the side, right? Now O is the center and we are constructing OM as perpendicular on BC chord. So as we know the result that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So OM will bisect the chord. That means BM will be A by 2, MC will be A by 2. Right. Now we want this angle BOM or angle COM. Okay, then how can we find it? Because if we will find this angle, and then we can easily find BM by using trigonometry ratio. So we are having this whole angle BOC. We want to find angle BOM. So what we will do? We can find these two triangles are congruent. Let's see how. AM is common. These two angles are of 90 degree as we have drawn it in the construction, and BM and MC will be equal because perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So this will become A by 2, A by 2. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. So by CPCT, this BOM will be of 60 degree, right? This whole solution I have already written here, but I am explaining you how to do it. Now once we are getting this 60 degree at that time, after that what we will do? After that we can use which ratio? As this is angle and BM is the opposite side of this 60 degree, therefore we must have to use the ratio in which opposite side as well as hypotenuse is coming. Okay, so in which ratio opposite side and hypotenuse is coming, that is sine ratio. So we will find sine 60. Okay, so I have already done calculation for you. So sine 60 will be what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this is opposite side BM and this is hypotenuse, that is 32. I have put all these values, and then BM can be easily find out by taking transpose of this 32. Then after cutting we are getting 16 root 3. But this is the value of BM. We want to find BC, and we know that BM is half of BC. It means BC is double of BM. So once we are finding BM, that is 16 root 3, then by doubling it we can find out BC. So it will be 32 root 3. This is your first question answer. Yes, 32 root 3. So option B is correct. Now second question. The altitude of the equilateral triangle is, now you have to find altitude. So how will you find it? So let's move again on the solution. So as we know the formula of equilateral triangles altitude, that is root 3 by 2a. Here what is a? A is the length of side of the equilateral triangle. This formula can be used only in equilateral triangle, not any other triangle. This is valid. So root 3 by 2 into, now we are having a. What is a? M is side, that is 32 root 3. Okay, so substitute the value of a here in place of a, and then by solving it we are getting 16 into root 3 into root 3. So we know that root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 16 root 3 will be 48 centimeter. So this is your answer. Yes, so option C will be correct. Now let's move on to third question, and that is from design B. The area of square is. Now you have to find the area of this square. So if you want to find area of the square, then you must have side of the square. Okay, so I already explained you how to find side. So let's move on the solution. So as you have given radius of one circle, so its diameter will be 14 centimeter, and and the side of the square will be 3 times diameter, right? As there are 3 circles and they all touch each other, so it will be 3D. So 3 times 14, so answer will be 42, and this is the side. Now we want to find area of square. So what is the formula of area of square? So it is length square. Okay, length into length. So here length of the side is AB 42. So we will use AB square. Okay. So after putting the value of AB, we are getting 1764. So 1764 is the option B. So B is the correct option for this. Now next, area of each circle design is. Each circle की रेडियस आपको ढूंढनी है, तो वो सर्कल की रेडियस का रेडियस गिवन है आपके पास, तो आराम से आप सर्कल का फॉर्मूला लगा के उसका एरिया ढूंढ सकते हो. पाई आर स्क्वायर ओनली यू हैव टू use, because you are not asking 9 circular design area, you have asked only each circle designs area, so you have to find area of one circle only. So let's see. So it will be pi r square, and you are not given any value of pi, so you will take it 22/7, right? So after cutting it, and one more thing which you have to remember, that is you will not put here 49. Okay, you will never do square of any radius, you will write it like this way. Okay, you have to write 2 times by putting multiplication sign in between, because it will be easy for you to cut. Once you are multiplying the number, then number will become bigger, and to cut it you require much more time, and it will waste your time. So don't do it. You have to just write it 2 times, and then you can easily cut 7 7, so you will get 22 into 7. And you should remember this value, because 22 into 7 will come in many more questions. So if you know it, you no need to do any kind of calculation at that time. So it will be 154 centimeter. So D is the correct option. 154 centimeter is the answer. And last question of this case study, that is area of the remaining portion of the square ABCD is. You have to find area of the remaining portion, means you have to find this portion, this portion, this all remaining portion where circle is not there. That part area you need to find out. So what we will do for that, we will find first area of the square. Then we have already found area of one circle. We will multiply it with 9, because there are 9 circles, and then we will subtract this circle's area from the square area. So we will get all remaining parts area. So let's move on the solution. Remaining parts area is equals to area of square ABCD minus 9 times area of the circle. Now area of square, already you have found 1764 minus 9 times pi r square. That is also you have already found, no need to find it. But if first time you are finding, then you must have to apply this formula and this value. You are having that value 154, you can just multiply it with 9 and subtract it from 1764. Then you will get 378. So option A will be the correct answer. So here our case study 1 is over.